Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is it safe to give someone your bank account number? Yes, it is safe. Bank account numbers are not necessarily supposed to be secret. Not only is sharing your account number safe, it is standard practice for the receiving party to make their account number and routing details known to the paying party. Can you withdraw money from ATM with account number? Originally answered, can you withdraw money with an account number and a routing number? Yes. You can go into your bank, give them your ID and your account number, no routing number needed here, and ask for a cash withdrawal. How can someone withdraw money from my account without my card? What are cardless ATMs and how do they work? Cardless ATMs provide access to your account and allow you to withdraw cash without the need for a physical card. Instead, cardless ATMs rely on account verification via text message or a banking app on your smartphone. MU 16-1442 What can a scammer do with my bank account number? If someone has your bank account number and routing number, it is possible for fraudsters to order fake checks using your bank information. They can use these fraudulent checks to pay for a purchase or they can also cash the check. Can someone hack my bank account with my account number? The difference between routing number and account numbers: while someone cannot hack your account directly using only your bank's routing number, a carelessly disposed physical check can compromise your bank account because personal checks contain both your routing and account number.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.